Shankar Bidari, former DGP Karnataka State. I had developed cataract in both my eyes. I was advised to go to Dr Agarwals Eye Clinic. After a preliminary examination, they told me that cataract is confirmed and they will operate. Accordingly, I went to the hospital on 19th. They conducted the preliminary examinations. On 19th, Dr. Ravi conducted the operation and removed my cataract and installed new lenses in the right eye. Similarly, on 20th of June 2024, he removed my cataract in my left eye and installed new lenses. So, Dr. Ravi conducted both these operations within a period of about 8 to 10 minutes. And I had absolutely no pain or no problem of any sort. So, after the cataract was removed and new lenses were installed in both the eyes, I was advised treatment of administering drops for a period of 3 weeks. As advised by Dr. Ravi, I have taken that treatment. Now my eyesight is very good and I can see very small letters also, and I am grateful to Dr. Ravi and Dr. Agarwals Eye Clinic for restoring my eyesight to its best. Thank you.